In the middle of forest, a yellow baby cockatiel named Aaron just hatched from his egg and started looking for his parents. Upon not finding his parents, Aaron started to walk towards forest in search of his parents. While walking in the forest, Aaron met another baby cockatiel who was waiting for his siblings. Aaron asked other baby cockatiel,
"Have you seen my parents?"
Other baby cockatiel replied,
"No, I haven't seen your parents. But I can help you in finding your parents."
Both of them started to walk towards forest in search of yellow baby cockatiel's parents. In their way, they met a baby squirrel. Aaron asked baby squirrel about his parents. Baby squirrel replied,
"Yes, I have seen your parents. I will take both of you to meet them."
Now all three of them are on their way to meet Aaron's parents.